this next exercise, we're going to be getting into our gluteal fold. So this is a part of the body that is between the butt and the hamstring, right? The back of the leg. And it's where the butt and the hamstring meet. So there's a lot of tension there. If you are big into deadlifts or glute bridges or just general booty exercises, you do a lot of uphill walking, this is an area that gets worked a lot. And it is very seldom stretched appropriately or accordingly, and it tends to be pretty tight in most people. So we're going to get into it. We're going to help massage it out. We're going to loosen it. It's going to help with any hip pain, back pain, knee pain, general pain in the lower body. This area is a hot spot. So the way we're going to find it is we're going to sit down on our mat. You can also do this sitting on a chair or a bench where the legs are in a 90-degree angle. Sometimes people enjoy having a little bit more pressure than just sitting on the ground. Your preference. I'm going to demonstrate on the ground. We're going to take the ball. I like to use a little bit of a bigger ball for this one, about the size of a softball. The larger the surface area, the more distributed the point of contact is on the muscle group, and so that can make things more or less intense. So sort of just depends. This exercise could be done with a large or a small ball. We're going to get it real close to our butt. We're going to think, like, where does our butt crease happen, right? Think gluteal fold. Where does the butt fold in to the rest of the leg? That's where we're trying to get. It's going to be pretty close to your groin. And the way we'll know we're on it is when we go side to side, you're going to feel kind of like a rod in your leg. That's what we're trying to get to. And we don't want to do too much side to side work, although that can feel really nice. But at some point in your 2 minutes, we want to just hold and like release and let it sit there and sink into it, and let ourselves let go of the tension that's happening in that area. You might notice that it feels better for you to get more to the outside of the gluteal fold and come like in towards it, or maybe you'll go to the inside of the leg and push the gluteal fold to the outside of the leg, you know, or you're directly on top of it. Everyone's a little bit different. I encourage you to explore what's coming up for you in this space, paying attention to not only what's happening in the body, but also what's happening in the mind. Sometimes this can be a little hard for people holding themselves up with their hands, in which case I would recommend doing this on a chair or a bench where you can just sit on the ball and you can be supported in your back and you don't have to hold yourself up. So, yep, hold here for about 2 minutes and watch your leg become anew, or feel your leg become anew. Enjoy.